Hi po, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung gusto mo to, kaya yung gusto na lang nila. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jazz. Aking hiling sa'yo ay for birthdays to come, malusog na pangangatawan at maaliwalas na isip. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Jazz! Wish you all the best, happiness, and good health. Wow! Surprise! Surprise!
Hello, Ate JJ! Happy birthday! Masasabi ko lang, at ipagmapalaki ko to new friends pa lang tayo, but you know already how to keep me calm whenever I'm about to lose my temper. And your advices, solid and on point. Kaya laging nandito yan at dito. I'm wishing you ngayong birthday na maging peaceful and strong, just the way you handle everything. Just bear in mind that we love you. We're always here for you, no matter what happens. God bless you and enjoy your day.
Hi, Mami Jazz! Happy birthday! Yan, matagal na tayo magkakilala but ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkabanding. Yes, so wishing you all the best on your birthday. So safe tayo mga Korean queens. Mababait. Okay, so kung ano man ang hinihiling ng puso mo, sana matupad lahat yon. And we, your friends, are wishing you all the best. Happy birthday from Tbilisi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jazz. Stay humble, simple, bubbly, and happy all the time. I wish you all the best in life and stay cool.
Happy birthday, Auntie Yas! Thank you for treating and taking good care of me as your little sister. I love you. Love, love.
Yan.
Happy birthday, Nang Nang.
Happy birthday, Nang Nang.
Happy birthday, Nang Nang.
We love you. We miss you. Ingat ikaw lagi dyan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Miss ka na namin.
Miss you so
See you
much.
soon.
See you soon. We love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your birthday. Mama, chup chup. Say mama chup chup.
Mama chup-chup. Mama chup-chup.
Happy birthday, boy! Wala na maraming salita. Basta happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Ako, wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay at sa pamilya mo. Patuloy yung pang i-bless ni God. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Beshi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Siyempre, alam mo naman kung ano yung wish ko for you, di ba? And sana unti-unting natutupad yon in God's will. And siyempre, una, good health palagi. And more blessings to come for you and your family. I love you.
And stay positive as always. And God bless you and your family. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday! It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Wish up, Mama Jem! Mami Jem, sana ingat ka dyan lagi at sana bumalik na kayo dito. Love you. Happy birthday, Jem! Enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo. At At saka lagi kayong mag-iingat, lalo sa health ninyo.
Happy birthday, Jem! More birthdays to come. Enjoy, enjoy. Happy, happy. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
Love you, love you! We love you! Blow your candle.
Mami Jem, happy birthday, Jem!
Yay!
Ice water.
Ano ba? Ayos lang ba ko?
Okay, go.
Wait lang. Wala kang may pak. Acting mo. Hi, Ate Jam! It's you! No, that doesn't work for me. It has to be just nonchalant. Hey, what up, Ate Jam? I don't know, yeah.
Stupid. Hi, Ate Jem. I literally just got home from work, and yeah, Gurdjieff has been bugging me for days about this. So here it goes. Hi, Ate Jem. Who would have thought that you'd finally be here? I wish you 40 more years of your health and for all of your prayers to be finally answered. You are so loved, and we are so lucky to have someone like you. We've been through our ups and downs, and to be honest, downs feels like an understatement, because it feels more like rock bottom. But still, always remember that we have each other, and to be honest, I wouldn't have it any other way. So here's to another year of your life, and I hope your helmet still works, because you still have a long way to go. We love you so much, and that's it.
Hi, Ate Jem, happy birthday! Nandito ako sa labas kasi sayang hindi ako lumalabas. Ayan, ang laki ng puno. Tapos may park pa doon. Medyo malayo sila, pero okay na yan. Alam mo yun, I touch yung grass sometimes. Yun, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I know, I don't know you that much, but Carla talk about you a lot, and I know that she loves you and she cares for you so much. Yun lang, take care, enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ay anak, happy birthday. O, sa erap din, no, anak mo. Happy birthday din siya. We wish you all the best, na. At sana manalo ka ng maraming sa badminton nyo. Be happy, enjoy your day, stay healthy. O, kiss ka na kay Mama Jem mo. Kiss, happy birthday, Mama Jem. Ang gulo namin, ang gulo-gulo ng mga alaga. Happy birthday, anak. I love you, I love you.
Hi, Bebeb! Surprise! Di ba? May video greetings yung mga kaibigan natin. Happy birthday! And wish you all the best. Wala nang drama-drama. Pero, ang sinasabi ko nga sa'yo palagi, lahat ng ginagawa ko ay para sa'yo. Para sa atin. Lahat ng tao dumadaan sa pagsubok, pero nalalagpasan sa tulong ng Panginoon. Alam mo naman yan. Sabi nga natin, di ba, parehas, tsaga-tsaga lang. At least, nakuha na natin yung pinagdadasal natin palagi. Di ba? Happy birthday. At tsaka lagi mo iingatan ng sarili mo. Yung kalusugan mo. Dahil syempre, ikaw ang buhay ko. Kayo ni Clyde. I love you. Happy birthday.